How to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Once updated, see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it. Further, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp option you see there, and in the menu that appears, tap on the remove app option. Further, tap on the delete app option and then tap on delete again, and once deleted, open App Store and reinstall WhatsApp application and see if the issue is fixed or not, and also make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.